Hey everyone, today we're going to be creating imperfection. So in this tutorial, it's going to be doing the very least possible. So if there's any blemishes, we're going to keep them in. We want the skin to look imperfectly perfect. First product is going to be from Merit, and this is their Great Skin Moisturizer. Just going to take a pump and just apply this to the skin. So next up, Merit again. This is shade 14, and this is their minimalist stick. And I'm just going to be applying this. I'm not going to use a lot. I just want the skin to be slightly more perfected. And even though we haven't used a lot everywhere, you still want to take the brush everywhere. I love that product. It's so good. So next up, we're going to be using Sparkle. And this is from Rhode. Cheeks, forehead, nose. Same brush, buff it in. Cheeks and nose. Next up, this horrible little product from Tarte. Now, this is just a faux freckles. I'm just going to dot these along the nose and blend them in. Now, I'm just going to brush down the brows, comb them through. Now, I'm going to take this brow powder here. This is from RMS Beauty, and it's amazing. And all I'm going to do is just fill in the missing gaps. Now, even though we use minimal product, I still need to just take down some of the shine. So using whatever's left of this NARS translucent powder, I'm just going to take out the shine in the T-zone area only. Now taking 1999 mascara and knocking off most of it on the back of my hand, the faintest amount you've ever seen, just to define the eyes. And that completes the look. Imperfectly perfect. This is how I love to do makeup on pretty much everyone. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all soon. Bye-bye.